Hello students. In last video we studied about students lanthanides, and today we starts actinides. As you know students, we learnt about lanthanides, elements in which last electron enters in 4f orbital. Then it is called lanthanides. Same as in actinide elements, last electron enters in 5f orbitals. Therefore, it is called actinides. After actinium elements are called as actinones. It means thorium to lawrencium 92 to 103 elements are called as actinones or actinides. These elements belong to third group and seventh periods. Students, these actinides elements belongs to third group and seventh periods. Students, all elements of actinides are radioactive or artificial in nature. Students, elements after uranium is called as transuranium or super heavy elements. These elements are highly unstable and heavy weighted. Students, these elements making oxocations. It means cations with oxygen of actinide elements. It means UO plus, UO2 plus, PuO2 plus. Okay students, these are oxocations. Students, basic nature of its hydroxide is greater than hydroxide of lanthanide elements. It means basicity of actinides elements is be greater than hydroxide of lanthanides element. Students, it shows variable oxidation state. It shows variable oxidation state +3, +4, +5, +6 and +7 due to less energy difference in between in 5f and 6d orbital. Students, all actinides elements, it means thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, all elements of actinide elements placed below the lanthanides elements due to some reasons. First reason of this, maximum similarities in properties of elements with the lanthanide elements, and second reason is be no space present in periodic table. Therefore, it placed below the D block elements. Therefore, actinide elements are called as second inner transition elements. Students, many points related to actinides are following denoted in the form of AN. These are actinides. Okay students, write down first point in actinides. It is an introduction only students. Elements in which last electron enters in 5f orbitals is called as actinides elements. In next year students, after uranium elements are called as actinones. It means thorium 92 to lawrencium 103. Student, in next arrow, these elements belongs to third group and seventh period. In next line students, all elements of actinides are radioactive or artificial. Next student, elements after uranium is called as transuranium or super heavy elements. These elements are highly unstable and heavy weighted. In next line, these elements making oxocations. These elements making oxocations like UO plus, UO2 plus, PuO2 plus. In next line student, basic nature of its hydroxide is greater than hydroxide of lanthanides. Next point, it shows variable oxidation states like as +3, +4, +5, +6 and +7 due to less energy difference in 5f and 6d orbital. Students, these are basic points introduction about actinides. In next line students, these elements lies below to lanthanides element due to some reason. Write down first, maximum properties is similar to lanthanides element. Second, no space present in main periodic table. In next line, actinides elements includes in second inner transition elements. Okay students, it is introduction about actinides. Now write down topic students, electronic configuration of actinides elements. Electronic configuration of actinides elements. Student, its general electronic configuration is B, radon 5f 2 to 14, 6d 0 to 2, 7s2. Okay student, first of all write down its electronic configuration. देखिए actinides electronic configuration are radon 5f 2 to 14, 6d 0 to 2, 7h2. Students, you know very well these 14 elements can be written in the name of actinium. Therefore, electronic configuration of actinium is B actinium 89 radon 5f0 61 7s2 86 81 86 87 and 2 89. Okay students, write down electronic configuration of actinium. Write down its students. And now we starts electronic configuration of all 14 elements of actinide series. Student, first element of this series is thorium, Th. Name of this thorium, 92 thorium, sorry 90. and protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. These are 14 elements. Protactinium 91, uranium 92, neptunium 93, plutonium 94, americium 95, curium 96, berkelium 97, californium 98, einsteinium 99, fermium 100, mendelevium 101, nobelium 102, lawrencium 103. Okay students, these are actinides elements represented with its atomic number and its name. Now we start students about electronic configurations of these elements. Okay students, in these elements 86 electrons enters in inert gas radon. In all elements 86 electron enters in radon. Students, after it, last electron, first electron, valence electron present in 7s, and in penultimate cell in 6d2, and in thorium 5f is be 0. It means in 5f no one electron enters in thorium. Therefore, electronic configuration of thorium is be radon 5f0 6d2 7s2. Okay friends, now electron enters in next electron enters in 5f, it means 2. It means 5f1 electrons not present in protactinium. Students, one electron shifted in 5f orbital of 6d2, therefore here configuration is be 6d1 and 7s2. Okay students, because energy difference between 5f and 6d orbital is be minimum, therefore electron can be shifted from 6d to 5f orbitals. Now students, in electron 5f3 6d1 7s2, 5f4 6d1 7s2, but in plutonium 5f5 electron not present, therefore 5f6 electron present here, therefore 6d electron is be or vacant and 7s2. Okay students, now in americium 5f7 6d0 7s2, in curium 5f7 6d1 7s2. It means 5-8 configuration is not present in berkelium, and the next electron enters in F9. Therefore, uh, in next time 6d electron is be 0, 7s2. Same 5f10, 6d 0, 7s2, 5f11, 6d 0, 7s2, 5f12, 6d 0, 7s2, 5f13, 6d 0, 7s2, 5f14, 6d 0, 7s2, 5f14, 6d1, 7s2. Students, you know, 2 times repeat 5f7 and 5f14 in elements lawrencium and nobelium, and in curium and americium. Students, in this configuration, left configuration is be 5f1, 5f5 and 5f8. Then you can be learned in this form. You do not field electrons in 5f1, 5f5 and 5f8. Okay students, note down this type electronic configuration. Okay students, note down it. Students, you can take its screenshot, and after some time you can be note it in notebooks. Okay students, now very important topic, difference between lanthanides and actinides. Students, very important topic, difference between lanthanides and actinides. Write down topic students, difference between lanthanides and actinides. Okay student, first point starts. In lanthanides elements in which last electron enters in 4f subshell is called as lanthanides. In actinides, first point, elements in which last electron enters in 5f orbital, 5f subshell is called as actinides. Okay student, first point clear. This point is related to its definitions of both lanthanides and actinides. Student, second point, these elements starts from atomic number 58, cerium 58 to 71, cerium 58 to lutetium 71. Second point here, these elements starts from atomic number thorium 92 to lawrencium 103. Okay students, clear? Second point, it is related to its starting and ending of atomic number with its abbreviations and symbols. Okay students, now third point, except promethium, all elements are occurred naturally. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है प्रोमीथियम रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स है, लेकिन एक्सेप्ट प्रोमीथियम ऑल एलिमेंट्स क्या है, नेचुरली ऑब्टेन्ड हो जाते हैं. ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर रेडियो एक्टिव इन नेचर. स्टूडेंट, आपको पता है ये सभी एलिमेंट्स क्या है, नेचर में रेडियो एक्टिव है. ओके बच्चों, एक्सेप्ट +3 these elements shows +2 and +4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. आप सबको पता है स्टूडेंट, इनकी कॉमन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट लाइनथेनाइट की क्या होती है, +3 होती है, बट सम एलिमेंट्स स्टेबल इन +2 and +4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर these elements shows higher oxidation states are +3, +4, +5, +6 and +7. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट होती है ड्यू टू मिनिमम एनर्जी डिफरेंस प्रेजेंट बिटवीन 5f and 6d orbital. Therefore, it can be shows +3 to +7 oxidation states. Okay students, next point students, basic nature of these hydroxide is be minimum. स्टूडेंट्स, इनके हाइड्रोक्साइड की बेसिक नेचर कम होती है, मिनिमम होती है. बेसिक नेचर ऑफ these hydroxides is be मैक्सिमम. इनकी ग्रेटर होती है, मैक्सिमम होती है इनकी हाइड्रोक्साइड नेचर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स, these elements not making ऑक्सोकेटायंस. स्टूडेंट्स, जितने भी लैंथेनाइड एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो ऑक्सोकेटायन का फॉर्मेशन नहीं करते. These elements making ऑक्सोकेटायंस. एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, UO+, UO2+, PuO2+. Okay students, last point students, its tripositive ions are relatively colorless, relatively colorless, and its tri positive or tetra positive ions are colorful. Okay students, these are some differences between lanthanides and actinides elements. Okay friends, if you have any problems in this differences, you can tell me. These are simple points and related to notes. Okay friends, we can add one point extra in this category. Lanthanides elements forms not forms complex compound. It means its complex compound tendency is be minimum, and its complex formation tendency is be maximum. This point can be added in this differentiate. Its complex formation tendency is be minimum, and its complex formation tendency is be maximum than lanthanides elements. Okay friends, so these are the complete differences between lanthanides and actinides. Okay friends, it is a overall actinides or lanthanides, it means A block elements. Okay friends, now HOTS related to questions, outtext questions of your NCERT books. Question first, HOTS of NCERT textbooks. Okay students, HOTS. First question, calculate magnetic moment in KMNO4. स्टूडेंट्स हमको KMNO4 में मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट कैलकुलेट करना है. स्टूडेंट जब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं तब सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको जो सेंट्रल एटम होता है उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कैलकुलेट करना होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसमें ट्रांजिशन मेटल कौन सी है? मैग्नीज है. तो सॉल्यूशन देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इन KMNO4 सेंट्रल एटम is manganese. Okay, oxidation number of manganese in KMNO4 क्या होना चाहिए फ्रेंड्स? पोटेशियम का KMNO4 में ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कैसे निकालते हैं स्टूडेंट? 1 + x + 4 - 2 = 0. यू नो वैलेंसी ऑफ पोटेशियम +1. जिसकी आपको वैलेंसी कैलकुलेट करनी होती है उसको एक्सपोर्ट कर लेते हैं. ऑक्सीजन जनरल ऑक्साइड की वैलेंसी क्या होती है? -2 होती है. तो 4 × -2 = 0. तो 1 + x - 8 = 0. देन x - 7 = 0. x = 7. It means manganese present in +7 oxidation state. In this state, in excited state, it means 7 electron removed from its ground state. Therefore, electronic configuration in excited state of Mn + 7. Okay friends, in manganese electron present organ 3d5 4s2. But when 7 electron remove, 2 electron remove from 4s and 5 electron remove from 3d, therefore electronic configuration present like as organ. Therefore unpaired electron in organ is be 0. It means n equal to 0. When n equal to 0, then its magnetic moment mu equals to under root n plus 2, then 0 0 plus 2, it means 0 Bohr magneton. Okay students, we can calculated magnetic moment of caminophore in following manner. Okay student, note down this. Very simple questions of your textbook, last questions of textbook. Our text question means. Okay students, one more question. Students, in Cr2 plus and Mn3 plus, in Cr2 plus and Mn plus 3 present similar configuration D4, but Cr2 plus is a reducing agent, but Mn3 plus is a oxidizing agent. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमसे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है कि Cr2 प्लस और Mn प्लस 3 का सिमिलर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है D4, बट हम Cr2 प्लस को तो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट कहते हैं, रिडक्टेंट कहते हैं, और Mn प्लस 3 को हम ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट कहते हैं. क्यों? वाह, रीजन पूछा है स्टूडेंट्स हमसे. तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, क्रोमियम 2 प्लस और Mn3 प्लस, इन क्रोमियम 2 प्लस में अगर हम चेक करें तो क्रोमियम 2 प्लस ऑक्सीडाइज होता है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करके इन क्रोमियम 3 प्लस. देन स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन पोटेंशियल वैल्यू इज बी मोर नेगेटिव. ई नॉट वैल्यू chromium 2 plus 2 chromium 3 plus equals to minus 0.41 electron volt. Therefore it behaves like a reducing agent or reductant due to more electronegative value of standard electrode potential or reduction potential. Same as for manganese plus 3. Manganese plus 3 receive gain 1 electron and reduced in Mn2 plus. Therefore its standard electron potential value is be more positive. E naught Mn3 plus 2 Mn2 plus equals to plus 1.57 electron volt. Students, it is a high positive value, therefore those elements have higher positive value of standard reduction potential, behaves like a oxidant. Okay students, understood? It's a two great different phenomena. In chromium plus 2 it oxidized in chromium plus 3, but in manganese it reduced in Mn plus 2. Therefore its electrode potential value is be negative and behaves like a reductant. But for this Mn plus 3, standard reduction potential value is be highly positive. Therefore it behaves like a oxidant. Okay students, very important questions related to electrochemistry. Okay student, write down, first of all write down question. Now student, write down in language form. Okay, D4 configuration present in Cr2 plus and Mn plus 3, but Cr2 plus oxidized in Cr plus 3, then its conversion, its standard reduction potential value is be more negative. It means minus 0.41 electron volt. Therefore it behaves like as a reductant. But Mn plus 3 reduced in Mn plus 2. Therefore its standard reduction potential value is be highly positive. It means plus 1.57 electron volt. Therefore it behaves like a oxidant. Okay students, after this language you can write it for explanation. Okay students, write down it. स्टूडेंट्स, इन दोनों क्वेश्चन के अलावा सभी क्वेश्चंस में आपको नोट्स में इंक्लूड करवा चुका हूँ। ये दो ही क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो मैंने आपको नोट्स में नहीं लिखाए थे, तो ये दोनों क्वेश्चन भी मैंने आपको नोट्स में इंक्लूड करवा दिए। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये था अपना कंप्लीट एनसीईआरटी आरबीएससी की जो बुक थी उसका पूरा कंप्लीट सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने आपको पूरे नोट्स ऐप लिखवाए हैं, साथ में एक्सप्लेनेशन भी आपको दिया है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर फिर भी आपकी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप मेरे से कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं। इसी तरीके से आप हमारे वीडियो देखते रहें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, और अब हम नेक्स्ट लेसन स्टार्ट करेंगे और उसका नाम होगा कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो। ओके स्टूडेंट्स।